Picture this. It's 11 at night, there's a math test tomorrow, and the homework problems might as well be written in ancient hieroglyphics. Sound familiar? What if there was a way to not just get answers, but actually understand how to solve those problems without paying a dime? These top 5 best free AI study tools for math are about to become any student's secret weapon for conquering math. Tool number 1, Photomath. The first tool on this list has been a game changer since Google decided to acquire it back in 2023. Photomath turns any smartphone into a personal math tutor that never gets tired, never judges, and never charges by the hour. Point the camera at any problem, whether it's printed in a textbook or scribbled on notebook paper during a rushed lecture, and watch as the app instantly recognizes the equation. The handwriting recognition is surprisingly accurate, picking up on messy notes that even the person who wrote them struggles to read. What sets this apart from a basic calculator is the breakdown that follows every solution. Every answer comes with detailed step-by-step explanations that walk through the entire problem-solving process from start to finish. The app doesn't just show what to do, it explains why each step matters and how it connects to the overall solution. From basic arithmetic operations that elementary students are mastering all the way up through advanced calculus problems that challenge college undergrads, the coverage is extensive and impressive. Students working on word problems will appreciate that the app can interpret those too, pulling out the relevant numbers and operations needed to find the answer without requiring the problem to be rewritten as a pure equation first. The interactive graphs help visualize functions and equations in a way that static textbook images simply cannot match. Drag a point along a curve and watch the coordinates update in real time. With support for over 30 languages and hundreds of millions of downloads across the globe, this has become one of the most trusted and widely used names in math education technology. Tool number 2, Mathway. Moving on to the second tool, Mathway has earned its reputation as one of the smartest math calculators available anywhere. The interface feels like texting with a math genius who happens to be available around the clock, ready to help with whatever problem comes up next. Type in any equation using the specialized keyboard that includes all the mathematical symbols needed, or snap a photo just like with the previous app. The range of subjects covered goes well beyond basic mathematics into territory that many tools simply cannot handle. Algebra, trigonometry, precalculus, calculus, statistics, and even some chemistry and physics problems fall within its capabilities. The system processes millions of problems daily and has already solved billions of equations since its launch, building up a knowledge base that continues to improve over time. What makes this particularly useful is how the interface adapts to whatever problem gets entered. Type in a quadratic equation, and a drop-down menu appears with options to solve, factor, complete the square, graph the function, or find the vertex. The app anticipates what students might need before they even ask, presenting relevant options based on the type of problem detected. The free version delivers answers immediately, which is perfect for checking work or confirming solutions before submitting an assignment. Everything operates smoothly on both desktop browsers and mobile devices, making it accessible whether studying at a desk late at night or reviewing notes on the bus ride to school in the morning. Tool number 3, Symbolab. The third tool brings over 500 specialized calculators together in one comprehensive platform. Symbolab has built a community of more than 300 million users around the world who rely on its AI-powered solutions for everything from basic algebra homework to graduate-level mathematics research. The photo recognition feature works exceptionally well with both typed and handwritten problems, even when the handwriting is less than perfect. Snap a picture of a homework assignment, and the app interprets the equation before generating a complete solution with every single step explained in detail. What really stands out about this platform is how the explanations are structured to promote actual learning. Each solution shows not just the calculation being performed, but the reasoning behind every move along the way. Students can see which mathematical rules apply, understand why those rules work, and grasp the logic connecting each step to the next. This transforms the experience from simply getting answers to copy down into actually learning the material well enough to solve similar problems independently on future tests. The built-in calculators cover everything from basic fractions and percentages to derivatives, integrals, matrices, series, and differential equations. There's even a graphing calculator that many students find easier and more intuitive to use than their actual physical TI-84. For those preparing for upcoming exams, the practice problems and quiz features help reinforce concepts and identify areas that need more review before test day. The platform works equally well on phones, tablets, and computers, so switching between devices during a study session happens seamlessly without losing progress. Tool number 4, GeoGebra. The fourth tool operates on a completely different model from the others mentioned so far. GeoGebra is entirely free with no premium tier to unlock or subscription to purchase down the road. Everything the platform offers is available to every student at no cost whatsoever. This dynamic mathematics software brings together geometry, algebra, calculus, and statistics in one unified interface that makes connections between these subjects clear and visible. The visualization capabilities are where this truly shines compared to other options. Abstract mathematical concepts that seem impossible to understand from textbook descriptions become tangible and intuitive when students can manipulate graphs, rotate three-dimensional shapes, and watch functions transform in real time as parameters change. Teachers have been using this in classrooms around the world for over 2 decades, and the community has grown to include more than 100 million users worldwide. The photo homework solver scans problems and provides step-by-step solutions similar to other apps on this list, so it handles that fundamental need effectively. But the real power comes from the interactive exploration tools that go far beyond simple problem solving. Draw geometric shapes and watch as the algebraic equations update automatically to match. Adjust parameters on a function and see the graph respond instantly, revealing relationships that would take forever to discover through static examples alone. This kind of hands-on interaction builds mathematical intuition that reading textbooks alone simply cannot provide no matter how many chapters get assigned. The classroom integration features allow teachers to track student progress and provide real-time feedback, making this popular in both traditional brick-and-mortar schools and online learning environments. An exam mode even locks down devices during tests so students can use the familiar interface they've practiced with without accessing outside resources or communication tools. Tool number 5, Wolfram Alpha. The final tool on this list takes a different approach entirely from everything else discussed. Wolfram Alpha functions as a computational knowledge engine that extends far beyond mathematics into science, engineering, finance, and countless other fields where precise calculations matter. For pure mathematical power and accuracy, nothing else available comes close to matching its capabilities. Type questions in plain English, and the system interprets what's being asked without requiring any special formatting or syntax memorization. No need to learn programming commands or mathematical notation beyond what's already familiar from class. Ask how to solve a quadratic equation, request the derivative of a complex function, or inquire about the properties of prime numbers and their distribution. The natural language processing handles it all, translating everyday questions into mathematical operations behind the scenes. The depth of mathematical knowledge accessible through this platform is staggering in its scope. From basic arithmetic that elementary students are learning through advanced calculus, linear algebra, differential equations, and abstract mathematical concepts that graduate students study, the coverage leaves no gaps unfilled. The free version provides answers, graphs, and basic information about solutions without requiring any sign-up or payment. Step-by-step solutions show exactly how the system arrived at each answer, making it possible to learn the methodology rather than just copy the result without understanding. What truly sets this apart from every other option is the accuracy and reliability. When other tools occasionally stumble on complex problems or edge cases, this computational engine delivers results that can be trusted for important assignments, research projects, and professional applications, where getting the wrong answer carries real consequences. Each of these 5 tools brings something unique to the table. Photo scanning makes entering problems effortless. Step-by-step explanations transform answers into learning opportunities, and interactive visualizations bring abstract concepts to life. The question is, which one gets downloaded first? Drop a comment below sharing which tool sounds most useful for you. Thanks for watching.